Hi friends, in today's world most of the businesses rely upon the website for running their businesses. Choosing a suitable theme for your website is not a easy task. WP Themes channel makes it easier for you. In this video we are going to review and install the theme for real estate industry. This is RealHomes Estate Sale and Rental WordPress theme, and this theme has been typically made for real estate and related business services. RealHomes Themes was developed, it is an old theme in fact, and it was developed in 2013 only, and regular updates of this theme is being done. It is good thing on this, and it is called #1 selling theme in real estate sector at WordPress for WordPress, and I have found this theme very suitable for the purpose of real estate business. And if we talk about the demos available in RealHomes WordPress theme, there are multiple demos available with this theme. This is modern design, vacation rentals, classic design, open street map, Spanish translation and all. So I'm going to give the link of all such important things in the description of this video, and we will also now we can overview one of the main demo. This is the main demo of RealHomes WordPress theme, and this is clearly typically made for real estate, and it is having property listing features like this, great layout, and you can see it is running very fast. So if your website runs very fast, it is going to bring more and more business for you. And this is the listing, you can see, and it has lightning speed, and this makes your website professional. In fact, speed is a mandate for today's website. So these are the listing. This is the one of the listing page which has been described very prominently and elaborated in a proper manner. So if we talk about the search feature, this is also very good, and this works well, which I have seen in this theme. So if you have planned to develop a website, in fact it is a portal, so for your real estate business, this is going to be a right and good catch for you, and it has all the features related to the real estate industry, no doubt. And if we go to the another demo, it is also having a stunning look. So all the demo website given in this theme are wonderful, so you don't think further about this, and you can choose this theme. And in this video we are going to install the RealHomes WordPress theme. We will also import the demo, and we will also preview the features available in the theme panel, and that is on WordPress panel. So let us begin the installation. For this I have a fresh installation of WordPress in which 2021 WordPress default theme is installed. I install the RealHomes theme in this installation. And of course I got the theme pack as well. So in the theme pack I got demo imports. So these are the demo imports. So all demos are here for importing, and all files has been given here for manual import in case we need to import the demos in manual. It is all files are here. Documentation, licensing, plugins are here, so we can check the plugins. Two plugins are here: real estate and cyber revolution, the theme pack itself, and the child theme. So let us begin the installation. Go to the theme section at WordPress panel, add new, upload theme, choose file, realhomes.zip you need to select here. And if you are having direct access on your server, of course you may have, you can upload the same file. So theme is having a very minimum size, so it is a lightweight theme, you can say. It is having just 8.90 MB in size. It will get uploaded within a minute. Once it gets uploaded, we need to extract the realhomes.zip file, and in result we got this folder. We got all these files here after extracting, and the WP themes section. And now come to the themes WordPress panel, and we have multiple real homes here. Somehow it got multiple reflection here. So we will check the theme details. It is RealHomes 3.12.0, and we can activate it now. And upon activation we got design variations here, and also an alert to install necessary plugins. First we will install the necessary plugins. So this theme is using very minimal set of plugins. It is also another good thing in this theme. So if any theme is using minimal plugins, it is a wonderful thing, because you need not to be dependent on much of the plugins. And the basic plugins, real estate, easy real estate, has been given by the plugin theme developer itself, and Elementor is here. So only Elementor and easy real estate is running this theme basically, and FAQs are there. So we will first install the Elementor. Activate. It should be redirected to welcome page of Elementor. Okay, fine, no problem. So we will install the easy real estate. Activate it. RealHomes Elementor add-on. Activate, and rest two plugins. Activate. Now we have installed the theme and the all setup plugins. So now we can check our website how it looks. This is the basic look of website without any demo content. So now we can go for the demo import in this stage. I'll show you the available features of theme in the later part of this video. So let us first go for the demo import. It is available in RealHomes demo import section, and these are the themes. These are the options available for demo. All are here. You can choose any according to your choice and need. We will definitely import the main one. This is modern Elementor. So import process is going on. It may take some time because it is going to import and download media files as well. So be on this page, don't refresh or leave this page. Upon successful import of demo, you will get this message. That's it, all done. And we can now deactivate the demo import plugin, and now we can take another look of our website, how it looks with the demo. And yes, the wonderful website is here for you for putting the actual content. All features, all files, all images are here now for your website. Yes, so we got all the features and the sections here. Now we can take a look of one important thing. You must save the permalink structure as post name here before you go for demo import, otherwise the theme will not work properly. Now we can take a look of real estate features available in this theme. These are the property listings, new property and all the control property listing features are here in the real estate sections of the panel. Agents, partners, property status, property locations and all. And you can control the theme from RealHomes here. So this is the main section, easy real estate, through which you can control your complete listing and website. And if you go in customize setting, you can control the basic setting of website. So I'll show you. These are the sections. For header, you can login, register and all such things are here. So site logo, you can upload the logo from here, and all such necessary things are available here in customization, and no other activities or sections was required. So we today installed the RealHomes WordPress theme along with the demo, and we got a wonderful website and result. So if you get any problem in the installation or demo or anything related to this theme, just write in the comment box. I'll try to help you out, and don't forget to subscribe this channel. I'm going to bring some wonderful themes and plugins for you, even the WordPress tips. So keep watching. Thank you very much.